Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price prediction by 2030. Now, a lot of Tectonic holders, some crypto experts have been predicting Tectonic token can hit 1,000,000% increase in price before the end of 2030. That simply means we expect Tectonic token to delete between 4 to 5 zeros. At the time of recording this, Tectonic token is currently trading with 6 zeros. So hitting 1,000,000% simply means Tectonic must have deleted 4 to 5 zeros. What can Tectonic token really hit that level? Can Tectonic token hit 1,000,000% by the end for the end of 2030? The truth is, yes, there's possibility for Tectonic token reaching that level. It is possible that Tectonic token can hit that level or even go above that level. And it's also possible that Tectonic token might not even hit over 10,000%. But the truth is, it all depends on majorly the token itself, then cryptocurrency in general. For example, let me start with cryptocurrency in general. When we take a look at Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin controls every other cryptocurrency. And a lot of people believe by the end of 2030, BTC might hit $1 million per one coins of BTC. Now, if Bitcoin rises and hit that level, there is a tendency that Tectonic token can also really increase in price. Now, of course, before the end of 2030, I expect Tectonic token to hit over between 10,000 to 1,000,000%, and I believe definitely Tectonic token is going to increase in price. Remember that Tectonic token is being hosted by Crypto.com, Kuno's chain, and I think they are really doing their best to help this coin to increase in price. And I'm definitely sure that before the end of even 2025, we should expect the token hitting between 1,000 to 10,000%. So by the end of 2030, which is a very long period from now, that's about 80 years and 2 months, I believe Tectonic token definitely can hit over 100,000 to 1,000,000% if cryptocurrency in general keep experiencing a bullish in most of these years. Yes, BTC this year, most coins are actually on bearish. Most coins are actually experiencing a fall in price, and I believe that if many other years, in the next 80 years, we can experience an increase, a bullish trend within most of these years. Definitely, these coins are going to increase. I believe Tectonic token also is going to massively increase. So, can Tectonic token hit 1,000,000% before the end of 2030? The answer is yes. It has a possibility, but they need to deal and they need to work with their speculative supply, and they also need to get Tectonic token to get listed by top crypto exchanges. Hitting 1,000,000% simply means most exchanges must have listed Tectonic token, including Coinbase, including Binance, and then top crypto exchanges. And also Tectonic token market cap must have hit billions, and then the Tectonic followers even on Twitter must also hit over millions, or 5 million followers or 2 million followers on Twitter. And that is already how the Tectonic token can really hit that level. But remember, when these coins start increasing, so many people will get attracted to Tectonic token. That will attract a lot of people to invest on this coin, and all this I mentioned, of course, will keep increasing in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.